looks okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to Rolling Hills Farm. Dave here. It's a blustery New Year's Eve with just a dusting of snow. Really hardly any to speak of. Very different than last year at this time when we set an all-time record for snowfall. But who could have predicted the drought that followed, or the hay shortage we're dealing with now, as well as the surprisingly strong grain yield with prices up for both grain and calves. It's been a year of surprises. Wasn't expecting to be doing another big snow video this year after the 2-foot blizzard back in December, but here we are. We're about 10 inches, maybe 12, into what's projected to be a 20-inch snowfall again today.
I see steaks.
Get me on video here, butcher.
Oh, we'll talk inside.
This is what the butcher does. He does nothing.
Oh no.
This goes to the other freezer.
Yeah, but we holy heavy duty. All right, shut that for now.
They're huddled up here out of that west wind, even though they've got the windbreak out there. It looks like only 5 or 6 inches, although the wind is really kicking it around out here. We've got big drifts. So we'll get the driveway and the yard cleared off now and get round bales out for the cows, although they're still hanging out where they were overnight in the calving barn. Degree temperatures and March sun has opened up mud. we haven't seen much mud this winter.
Come on, Sally. Come on, Sally. Come on.
Well, hey, good job, Lulu. Calf number 1. Well, I think I got a little too enthusiastic about the warm weather because look what's back. I know they're calling for at least 4, and I think the forecast may be accurate. I think we're about to set an all-time snowfall record for northern Minnesota, and kind of comes at a rotten time because we've got calves on the ground.
Oh yeah, you were a butt. You were a pain. You were a pain. You were a pain. Uh-oh. Lulu? No, no, free.
Well, that one was breech, but it's out. It looks okay.
This is a bigger one. The same size. It's slimy. Harder to get in your face. Man.
He's a healthy little bull calf.
Come on.
Well, you can see we're we're getting a little bit of dust now, and the disc is breaking up the clods of soil that I was having trouble with last week. So this is our Dion seed and Timothy and Alsike in these bags that we're putting in the seeder right now. Conditions look good. The seeder seems to be working fine after our rebuild this summer. Holy cow. Now this is some serious hay. You can see where I just walked. This may be the best field of grass hay we've got.
Tries tighter than the other one.
So now starts the process of bringing bales back here into the bale yard. So we're out here spreading manure this morning on the newly disked up field, and then this field will be ready to seed down. So you can see the rye cover crop and the beginnings of emerging alfalfa. Well, it's been about a month since we seeded this, and wow, we've had some serious growth in the rye. It has filled in. You almost can't see the rows.
Seems really smooth by comparison. And that's after I adjusted the coulters. And so it's just a nice, smoother deck that should disc up better.
Get up there. Get up there.
There, the self-closure feature works as advertised.
Come on, buddy. You need your neck. Sorry. All right.
Setting the head gate to automatic really seems to be working a lot better than trying to do it all manually.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's go.
Word out. Word out.
So this is a fanning mill, and what it does is it removes contaminants, seed, weed seed, straw, dirt, anything like that from the grain that you want to clean. Well, we're well positioned for 24. Beef prices are very strong and forecast to continue that way, but we're still in a drought, and it's entirely possible we'll have a hay shortage again this year. The other thing we're worried about is this lack of snow cover. It could damage, kill our alfalfa and our winter rye, and we won't really know until summer. But you know, that's farming. I hope you'll stick with us and see how it all turns out this summer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.